India has always shown what's possible when imagination meets ambition. I commend Honorable Prime Minister Modi and the Ministry of Electronics and IT for their visionary leadership in organizing the AI Impact Summit, the first global AI summit in the Global South. It reflects our shared commitment to harnessing the transformative power of AI to drive inclusive growth, unlock human potential, and create a sustainable future. At Adobe, we're proud to lead in the way in developing commercially safe, creative AI, supporting the vision of a Viksit Bharat, and empowering everyone to create. I look forward to joining you this February for the AI Impact Summit.